If you got nothing to do, well, I've got a couple of tricks for you. So take a look at these vids, 'cause it's life hacks for kids. Hi, I'm Jordyn, and today's episode is perfect paper towel hacks. Paper towels are useful, but they're boring. First up, my chiller spiller. For this, you'll need a paper towel, water, and a canned beverage. Have you ever totally been in the mood for a cool, refreshing beverage and your can or bottle is warm? Well, this paper towel is pure magic. Let the towel... Now wrap it around the can or bottle. And stick it in the freezer. I'm also gonna use paper towels to clean this mess up. There we go. Seriously, it's so fast. 10 minutes later, take it out of the freezer. Take off the paper towel and it's ready to drink. See? Pure paper magic. You know those times when you really need to clean your hands? Like when you touch the litter box, or a moldy apple, or the worst, your brother's socks. Welp, Wonder Wipes to the rescue. For this, you'll need 1 roll of paper towels, a serrated knife, a container with a lid on it, 1 cup of water, a tablespoon, coconut oil, and baby shampoo. Saw the roll of paper towels in half. You just made a roll of toilet paper. Just kidding. Don't flush this. Your toilet will explode. Now put it into the container. Put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil into the water. And now add a tablespoon of baby shampoo. This can get messy. That's why we're gonna make wipes. Pour it over the towels. Slip out the cardboard tube. Start the wipes by pulling from the center. Never happened. Wow, we're really on a roll now. My mom always said, it's what's on the inside that counts. So don't throw the tube away when the towels are gone. Help some feathered friends with this Ori roll feeder. For this, you'll need some string, a paper towel tube, peanut butter, scissors, a knife, and birdseed. Cover the roll with a thin layer of peanut butter. Don't worry, it's safe for birds. Dump the birdseed onto your tray. Now cover all the peanut butter with birdseed. Now run the string through the center and hang outside. I hope you have a new appreciation for paper towels. What household items do you want me to hack next? Let me know in the comments below. Remember to subscribe to DreamWorks TV and to click here for more life hacks for kids with me, Jordyn.